Okay, now let's start the demonstration of our app. First, you can log in using your account. And password. The correct password is 123456, but if you input wrongly, like this, you will get an error message. Yeah. So be careful. Let's log in. Okay. So this is a home page, and you may wish to choose new appointment to create a new appointment, and you can choose a date you want. Let's say this date, and choose a time slot. Maybe this one, and choose a treatment. Maybe you just keep it as dental. And you can also choose a clinic, Malaysia A+. Then you can match a doctor. Yeah. After you finish all the operation, you can choose create appointment, and appointment create successfully. Then you can view the appointment you just create. You can see this one. Yeah, is the appointment you just now created. And you can also view your historical appointment. You can click here to view the detailed information about a certain appointment. Okay, let's go back to the home page. Now let's say you want to change another time or change another clinic. You can choose change appointment. You select the appointment you want to change, and you choose another date, maybe this one, and you choose another time slot, maybe this one. You can't change the treatment for this one, and you may choose another clinic, match a doctor. Okay, finish, then update appointment. Then if you view your appointment, you can see your appointment has been already updated. Okay, now let's say you have appointment here, you have a dental you just now created, and let's say you want to if you look at the treatment here, we have dental braces, which requires dental to be done first. Let's now just try to create appointment about dental braces to see what happened in this app. So if you choose a date here, and just choose a time slot, clinic, match a doctor. Let's see what happens. Oh, prerequisite is not satisfied. Okay, so, but what if the prerequisite is satisfied? Let's say now you actually have a historical record, which is about women's health services, and you have done this appointment long ago. Now let's see, you can see there is a treatment. It's called urine test, which requires women's health service to be done first. Now let's try to see what happens. We create an appointment here. Choose a time slot, clinic, match a doctor. Okay, now let's see what will happen. Wow, appointment made successfully. So, in summary, if you have fulfilled the prerequisite like this, you will be able to create a new appointment, which requires that prerequisite. But if you haven't fulfilled that prerequisite, you may not be able to create the appointment that requires that prerequisite to be done first. Okay, so now let's see. We want to cancel appointment. Because just now I make appointment here, I don't want it anymore. I want to cancel it. Just click yes. Okay, then no such appointment. If you go to the view appointment, no such appointment. The appointment has been cancelled. So, well, what a fantastic app, right? So if you want to know who created this app, you may go to About Us, and here shows our photos and our contacts, our name contacts. Okay. And if you want to log out, you may choose My Account, and then choose Log Out. Okay, the demonstration is finished. Thank you. Okay, if you are a newcomer, you may wish to sign up. Click here. Put in your username, user, let's say 12. Password is 123456. Retype 123456. And your real name, let's say your name is Jack. And you may choose your contact method, email or SMS. Maybe we just input our email is Jack qq.com. Okay. Then sign up. Then now you can log in using your account user of password is 123456. Log in. Yeah. You don't have.
Okay, so now let's talk about the web portal of the system that is designed for doctors and admins. So first, let's log into a doctor's account. Well, this one also has an error checking, so if you are using the wrong name or password, it will tell you that it's incorrect. So let's use the correct name and password to log in, and you will see that currently there's a one appointment here. Because it's a referral appointment, so the doctor that referred this appointment is shown here. Okay, so now let's commit the appointment. So it's basically update record. Let's just type in anything. Okay, 175, maybe 70, and there's error checking as well. So for example, if we leave the medication blank, you actually tell me that it's required. So let's just say it's testing. Okay, and submit. And then the appointment is disappeared because you have just processed it. And now we can look at so now we have 0 appointment here, and we can look at the treated patients. This is a list of all the patients that this doctor has treated. So let's see the historical record for the one that we just updated. So you can see this is the latest one. Actually, our record is updated here, and all the records are shown. Now let's do referral appointments. Let's try to do a referral appointment. We can select a date. We cannot select any date before today, so we have to select any day else. So for example, just select this one, and let's just select one. See, okay, maybe you select this one. Okay, select terminal and select doctor as well. So actually, it will tell us that the prerequisite is not satisfied. So this one has error checking as well. Let's just select one that does not have any prerequisite. Just say preview, and you can submit it. And now we can log out the system, and I can demonstrate the admin functions for you. So we log into the admin portal. So this will be a different page. So as you can see here, the admin portal actually allows us to change a lot of aspects in the system. So now let's try to create a new doctor. So we have a very good doctor called Gao Xu, and let's just type in the information here, having the password confirmation, and we can just save the user. So then you see the user is saved. We have to give him the permission to become a doctor right here. And then because doctor has additional information, we need to create a doctor as well. So we need to select the user, and we have to assign him with a clinic. For example, we just assign him to Thailand, and say. And now the new doctor is created. And let's test whether his account can be logged in. Let's see, we use the password, and you see it actually works. So currently we have no appointment and no treated patients because it's a newly created account. Now let's back to the admin portal, and we can also change the treatments. For example, we can add a new treatment named CT scan. We can have a new message says please drink more water, and we don't need to specify any prerequisite. It's not required, and we can say the duration of this is 2 days, so that the patient cannot take any subsequent treatment that requires CT scan in during those 2 days. During those 2 days after he completed the CT scan. Now let me demonstrate the notification system that we set up. For example, let's see in the treatment here. If we look at the ENT treatment, you will see the message is predefined in the like this. So the notification system is programmed to send out notification every day at 9 a.m. to notify patients of the upcoming appointment on the next day. So let's see. This is one of the appointment that I have received that is sent by our patient management system. So you'll see this is the message for the treatment is actually being attached here.